How you can color in Adobe Illustrator. First, you create a simple shape on the artboard and select the shape using selection tool. Go to fill color box from the toolbar or properties panel. Then choose the color you want. Apply it. Now the fill color of the shape is changed. Select the stroke color box. Choose a new stroke color for the outline. Then increase the stroke weight to make the outline more visible. Create another shape to try a gradient color. Open the gradient panel. Apply a gradient fill to the shape. Change the gradient colors from the gradient slider. Use the gradient tool to adjust the direction of the gradient. Select the stroke and apply a gradient to the outline. Edit the gradient stroke color to create a colorful border. And select another shape to change its opacity. Lower the opacity value from the properties panel. Move the transparent shape over another shape to see the opacity effect. And you can also remove the fill color and keep only the outline. Now you know how to use fill color, stroke color, gradient and opacity in Illustrator. So please like this video, subscribe our channel. The resources link will be in the description. Take care, bye bye.